sun glow, Buzz Fuzz truck on a Georgia road. Mask on, boots up, ready to go. When the hive gets mean, he's the one we know. Homes and apartments, he's been there too. Complexes, schools, and a business view. He hears that hum and he reads the sign, finds a hidden comb every time. If the deck rail shakes, if the wall starts to hum, call that man out, he gets it done. Buzz Fuzzdale, Buzz Fuzzdale, pulls that swarm and he does it well. Buzz Fuzzdale, Buzz Fuzzdale, keeps the town from a stinging spell. Georgia master beekeeper, Buzz Fuzzdale, Buzz Fuzzdale. Honeybees, yellow jackets, hornets, two bumblebees in the rafters, he's coming through. National parks where the old trees bend, government properties, history holds, and he steps in. He's got a calm hand and a practiced style, no panic in him, he knows why. From old brick halls to the backyard gate, he shows up early and he don't wait. When the swarm rolls in and the folks get tense, he brings